स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. So today's video is all about the face-off of top 2 institutes with respect to the hotel management, and that is nothing but the IHM Pusa and IHM Mumbai. So guys, ये बात तो आप जानते होंगे कि these are the top institutes, right? If you are HM aspirants, then friends, your dream should be either one of these two colleges, either IHM Pusa or IHM Mumbai. Why? So in this video we'll talk each and everything about these two institutes. So guys, stay tuned with me to see the face off of these two. So the very first one, our new YouTube channel launch named as Maneuver Hotel Management Entrance, and it is very specific to the hotel management entrance, where you will get updates regarding all hotel management entrance exams such as the NCHMCT JEE, ECHAT, CET, nothing but your Maharashtra CET, IHM Aurangabad and others. So guys, link for this I also mentioned in the description, so kindly check it. So to get the best coaching for the NCHMCT JEE and even for all HM entrance exams, call board line number 8828581455. So let's come to our main point. So first one, the IHM Pusa. It is the number 1 college in India with respect to the hospitality programs. And one talk about the Mumbai, then it is stand at second rank. If you talk about the IHM Pusa, it is India's leading hotel management institute, which established in 1962, which is situated at Delhi NCR. So that means located at one of the prime location in India, and also it is in the capital of India. So has the major points with respect to the location. Top companies are there, top hotel industries are there. Now if we talk about the Mumbai, then it is one of its kind in Southeast Asia, one of the oldest institute in India, which is established in 1954. If we talk about the Delhi, then it comes into the existence after the Mumbai. So the IHM Mumbai not established by the central government first, but it is founded in 1954 by All India Women's Central Food Council. Thereafter, in 1979, the central government took over the total financial responsibility of the institute. As the Mumbai comes first in the existence in India, because after the IHM Mumbai, which is not even considered as IHM in 1954, but later in 1962, 3 institutes established in India known as IHMs, first one in Delhi, second one in Kolkata, and third one in Chennai. So we can say that the IHM Mumbai is the father and mother of the hospitality education in India. And due to one more point, that is, in the 1958, the Mumbai Institute started the 3 years diploma program in hotel management and catering technology. So very first one program was started by the Mumbai, thereafter Delhi. And now these both institutes are managed by the Ministry of Tourism and Government of India. This is all about the history of these two institutes. So either you wanna enter into IHM Pusa or IHM Mumbai, it's all up to you and upon on your preparation. So both run by the central government, right? But the IHM Delhi comes at first rank while IHM Mumbai at second rank. So don't consider कि first rank Delhi है तो preferences ज़्यादा Delhi को होना चाहिए, not even the Mumbai. But friends, first और second ये top most institute है जहाँ आप होटल मैनेजमेंट के लिए अपने प्रोग्राम्स परस्यू कर सकते हो. Now to enter into IHM Pusa, आपकी रैंकिंग होनी चाहिए in between 1 to 270, while in case of IHM Mumbai, your rank should be below 500. So guys, regarding the eligibility criteria, paper pattern, selection process, I already made the video on it, so you can watch that video. So these figures are with respect to the rankings. Now if we talk about the scores, then friends, you must score around 135 to 150 plus to enter into IHM Pusa. While in case of IHM Mumbai, you have to score around 125 to 130 plus score. So guys, scores में कुछ ज़्यादा difference है नहीं. Even you target the IHM Pusa or even the IHM Mumbai, both institutes are the top institutes and both has the great facilities. If we talk about the libraries, even if we talk about the kitchens, if we talk about the faculties, and even if we talk about the location wise. So friends, one is the capital of India and the second one is the financial capital of India. So you can prefer IHM Pusa also and even the IHM Mumbai also. So friends, ये सोच लो, being in a financial capital, you can get more scope in IHM Mumbai as compared to the IHM Pusa. So with respect to the programs, then IHM Pusa offers the BSc in hospitality and hotel administration, the masters also, various diploma programs, the craftsmanship programs, and various the PG degree programs. But if we talk about the bachelor's program, then for it has 321 seat intake. वही अगर बात करें हम IHM मुंबई की, with respect to the programs, it offers the bachelor's programs, various diploma programs, certificate programs, and one of the great initiative that is for the aspirants who has the hunar and need a rozgar. So for them, it is started the Hunar Se Rozgar, where it conducts the batches in every 2 months, where the 8th pass candidate can participate. So for bachelor's program, it has around 368 seats. So guys, the number of seats might be vary because each year it depends on various criteria, the number of applicants, the number of institutes. So guys, we will get the exact figure when the registration process will be out. So guys, subscribe the channel for all the updates regarding the hotel management. Now if we talk about the most important factor, and that is nothing but the placement, then guys, compared to IHM Pusa, you can expect more in IHM Mumbai. Don't judge the number here. These all are the past data based on research, and these all are just the starting range packages. So you can expect the highest package in IHM Pusa from 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum, average 3 to 4, and lowest 2 lakh onwards. While in IHM Mumbai, you can expect 6 to 6.5 lakh per annum, average 3 to 4, and lowest 2 plus. You can even try the off-campus also, because both the institutes are located in the prime locations. So friends, there are some factors. If we talk about the placement, then it depends on the category-wise distribution of the salaries for the management trainees, for the operational trainees, for the corporate trainees, in retails. So the salaries are less in the starting. Later on it increases, or you can get more than these numbers. So friends, don't worry about the placement at all, because the various top known companies and the hotels also visit these two institutes for the recruitment process, and even they provides the internship also. So in the internships you will also get the stipend. So the companies such as the Leela, the Lalit, the Hyatt, the Marriott, the Old World Hospitality, the ITC, Domino's, Cinepolis, Lemon Trees, various companies visited. So guys, either you wanna enter into IHM Pusa or even in IHM Mumbai, there is only one criteria is similar, that is you have to crack NCHM City JEE. So guys, to crack NCHM City, and if you are targeting for 2021 or even the 22 programs, then you can join our online program where you will get all these stuffs, books, the mock tests, sectional courses, full courses, and also the live interaction. So in live interaction you will get all these stuffs. So call on 8828581455, or you can visit at manvaredu.com/hotel management. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.